Are you a hair enthusiast or you know the importance of natural ingredients for your overall health? This video is going to be a boon for you because today I'm sharing with all of you the secret of Yao women. Yes, the ones who have registered themselves in the Guinness Book of World Record for having the longest, strongest and darkest hair at every age of their life. And they give their entire credit to a decoction that they prepare using fermented rice and local herbs that they put into it. I read the entire secret, the entire decoction, and I found out certain substitute that are locally available in our area so that we can also prepare something similar to that and have amazing benefits for our hair, right? So if you also want to register yourself in the Guinness Book of World Record for your hair, this video is the one. Just follow whatever I'm going to tell you, prepare it exactly the way I'm going to demonstrate in the video, and I'm sure that you're going to see visible changes in your hair growth because every single ingredient is amazing. Ready, everybody? Let's check out what all are the ingredients and how it is to be prepared. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I really hope you all are doing amazingly great. If at all you're visiting the channel for the first time, my name is Prerna and this channel is Preeti Prerna English, where I share hair care, skincare and healthcare using very simple ingredients from your kitchen, and believe me, my entire family is extremely happy. So you would definitely want to be a part of my family, so subscribe, press the bell icon for all the future video notifications, and I'm sure you're going to gain something or the other from here. Also, the comment section of this channel is not just a comment section. It is where you're going to find testimonies, you're going to find experiences, results, so many different things that can also help you out. So don't delay, be a wonderful part and also share your experience when you get the results. In today's video, I'm sharing a decoction which is to be prepared at home using very simple ingredients and which has to be used regularly. I'm going to tell you how it is to be used. So please understand the step one, that is the preparation of the remedial action. To start off with the preparation of the amazing Yao Women's Secret decoction, the first thing that you require is 1 cup of rice. Any rice that you are consuming right now, you can use that. Better if it is white rice. Otherwise, whatever you have handy right now, you can use that. Wash the rice grains very, very thoroughly because there should not be any kind of dust particle accumulated that you're going to put in your hair. So wash it thoroughly and do not dare to throw the discarded water in the drain. It's not okay because everything that touches rice, I would say, has all the nutrition that actually give benefits to your hair, skin, health and everything. So please put this drained water, this discarded water in plants only because it is great nutrition for them. Now post that, you're going to add approximately 2 liters of water to this rice and rinse it thoroughly using both your hands, one of your hand, whatever it is. So thoroughly rinse the rice so that it releases all the beautiful nutrients in the water. After rinsing the entire rice content, you're going to put this white water which has all the nutrients of rice into a pan and heat it thoroughly. Now you can use high flame also for some time, but it is better to cook things in a medium flame so that all the infusion occurs very beautifully. So once you have done this, now we are going to add certain herbs which are going to be substitute of the things that you use. The first thing that you're going to put into it would be 2 to 3 spoon of any citrus fruit peel. It could be lemon peel, it could be orange peel, it could be mandarin, whatever you have handy. Any citrus fruit, the peel of which has more nutrients than the fruit. Go and read about it. It's a fact that any fruit that we consume, the peel has more nutrients than the fruit itself. Obviously, it's bitter, that's why we don't eat it. But yes, the peel, because now we are not consuming it here, we are using it topically, so we are going to use something that has more nutrients. So you're going to put any citrus fruit peel over here. Done. The next ingredient that goes into this amazing secret decoction that we are preparing is 1 to 2 tablespoons of soap nuts powder. Now, if you have readily available powders, you can use that. If you have the dried fruit itself, just de-seed and use 3 to 4 tablespoons of it because it actually occupies more space than it actually is. So if you're using the dried fruit, 3 to 4 tablespoons. If you're using the powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powders is absolutely perfect. Soap nuts clean any kind of deposition on your scalp, on your hair strands. So it is absolutely clean, and whatever nutrients we are giving additionally, it actually goes inside. So it is great. Next, you're going to use a handful of Jatamasi herb. Now, this is very, very easily available online. About the grocery stores around you, I really am not sure. You have to go and check out for yourself. It is available, great. It's not, you can just use the online link that I've given in the description box. This herb actually resembles your hair, and it is so strong that it has scientifically been proven that this can actually strengthen your hair strands and give new hair growth altogether. Not hair growth, but yes, it supports the system, it supports the scalp to help the follicles grow new hair. So yes, this is extremely powerful and relevant in substitute is used in the real decoction that is prepared by the women. Last but not the least, you're going to take a very small piece of ginger, grate it in the entire decoction, and let the entire decoction simmer for approximately half an hour. And please, if it is slow flame, medium flame, that's the best, because that way the entire decoction comes in together and there is no burning or things like that. So just let it simmer properly for half an hour minimum, depending upon the kind of water and the kind of flame. You can just fix the time period a little bit more or a little bit less, absolutely okay. Once done, you're going to remove all the things that you have put into it, like the pieces. You're going to just remove it properly so that you can use the entire things in the next application as well. Yes, the ingredients do have certain potential in it so that it can be reused. And for the rest of the decoction that we have, you're going to use a double sieving, like two cloth or maybe a sieve and a cloth, and sieve the entire content. Now you are going to store this in a glass jar, and you're not going to refrigerate it, because this is something that is going to be fermented for longer duration, and then you're going to use it for yourself. If you are comfortable, you can keep it for a week and then start using. And if you are impatient, you can start using it right away. But do not keep it in the refrigerator. The rest of the decoction that you have prepared, you can use it for the next time, and that will be better, believe me. If you do this entire thing, if you prepare this decoction and use it weekly for yourself, you would not require any Preeti Prerna, you would not require any dermatologist, you would not require anybody to tell you what should be done for your hair, because your hair is going to be amazing. You'll be really happy. The growth is going to be wonderful. There would be no scalp issue, nothing at all. And your hair would be very happy and very healthy. So I really hope you have understood the entire preparation. You know how it is to be used, and also children can use it. There is no side effect that I can point, but always taking a patch test is great, because you don't have any doubt and you use the ingredients very, very confidently. So my amazing people, I really hope you enjoyed the presentation. I always enjoy telling it to all of you. So if you like the presentation, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please do subscribe and then only go, because I might put the next video in just next 2 days. So be there. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, take really good care of yourself and know for sure you are amazing. I really don't have words to tell you how amazing you are.